All right, today I have a steering wheel laptop holder right here. Now this is used for holding a laptop within your car. So this laptop holder, you attach it to your steering wheel and you're able to work from inside your car. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you how it looks, how it feels, how it operates, and perhaps maybe this might be something for you. So let's get started with this. It's a steering wheel laptop holder. See this right here? I'm gonna pull this out. Comes in a nice, is that velvet case right here? Nice. It's probably great for traveling with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And this is dark carbonate look to it. Close in. It's pretty cool. So basically what goes on, I'm gonna pull out the instructions before I put this onto the steering wheel and mount a laptop to it. So I'm gonna pull instructions out of the case. Here's the case right here. Instructions, basically, it's very simple. Shows right here how to mount it, how to swivel it open, and put it on there. You see it hangs from there. So I'm gonna get started with that. I'll put this up on the dashboard. And if you look, there are these pegs that come out right here. And the pegs right here are for holding the laptop into place. You see these two right here? The laptop sits on top of those, I believe. And then what is this right here? Right here is, right here, pull these out, and this sits on top of the steering wheel. So I'm gonna extend it. So depending on your steering wheel, you may have it super wide or a little bit more narrow. So I'm gonna pull these pegs out just like that. And then I'm just gonna simply, wait a minute, pull it out like that. Wait a minute, is it supposed to go this way? I think I have it backwards. Wait, am I doing this right? Here it is, yeah. So it's right like this. So I have it, these things that pull out right here, these allow it. So there's numbering on here. Let me get in closer so you can see that. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This determines the angle that you want it at. If you don't like the angle, you simply push this in and slide it back down, and you make sure that the numbers aligned on both sides. So I'm gonna start with a 4 right here. Let's see if you can see that's a 4. So I'm gonna push this one and get it to a 4. And then I'm gonna flip this around. So you'll extend these things out. You see the numbers are facing me. If the numbers are facing you right here, this is where it's supposed to be. So the slide, the part that's outwards right here, is going to be against the base. What I'm gonna do is pull the pegs outwards like that, and then place it on the steering wheel how I'd like it. Get back so you can see this a little bit. I'm gonna raise the steering wheel for better viewing. All right, so you can see that a little bit better. So depending on your steering wheel, you're gonna put it at the right width. And you see the pegs are sitting on top. There are the pegs on the either side, sitting on top. And the bottoms of this sits against the wheel. And all I'm gonna do right here is I'm going to pull out these pegs right here. And these pegs come with rubber on them, right there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just gonna simply mount a laptop on top, right here. And boom, look at that. The laptop is perfectly right here. I'm able to operate my laptop straight from the steering wheel. It's a very handy tool to have if you like working in your car. Works out pretty well. I'm going to close my laptop. You see it just simply sits there. Basically, this has to be one of the greatest tools right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and just show you. It just sits right here on these rubber pegs, so it won't slide. You're able to operate your laptop properly, and it's sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. Okay, you just like that. See, it's pretty cool. Just sits right here. You can work all day on your laptop with this mount. Pretty cool mount to have right here for working. Hands-free, sitting on the mount, sitting on the steering wheel, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go over the pegs one more time before I close it up. So right here, show you what I did. Press these buttons to close it, and you can adjust the angle with the numbers. So here it is. So you have the pegs both shut on for holding the laptop as well as attaching it to the steering wheel. You're going to take it. You see how it is right here? It's flat, nice and flat, goes into the case. You push these outwards right there. Push those outwards. I'm going to pull these towards me at the bottom for the pegs. And then I'm going to open it. Now, once you open it, you can make an adjustment of what angle that you want. Remember, I started at 4, now I'm here. Started at the bottom, now I'm here. I'm going to put it up to 5 this time. So it goes up to 5. Mount it on the steering wheel. Right there. Have the pegs out. And then place the laptop on top of it right here. It's at a higher degree angle. So it's more like sitting on a desk. My elbows are on the rest right here. And so it's very comfortable to actually use this right here. Just sitting here and typing, You know, that is the machine. I'm going to close it up and let you see how it goes back into the case, the velveteen case. So to close it up, I just simply push the pegs back that way, raise this up. It's fairly light. Close it where it clamps down. See these pegs, close them in, and the numbers that are right here, just press this in, press that one in, and there we go. And just slide it down after I pressed the button right here. So it's flat. Close it just like that. Gonna take the bag, slide it in, and put this down right here. Slides right into the velveteen case with ease, even though it doesn't look like I'm doing it with ease right now, but it goes in, slides in. Look at that. Put this away, put this in your travel bag, put this in your computer bag, whatever, and you're on your way. You can actually work from out of your car. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.